Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Sarah Mather. The JSE finished the day down by 0.25% at 28,938 points. We spoke to Simon Fillmore from Independent Securities, looking at the results out from CMH.
Look at the history of a business like CMH, and clearly it's a highly cyclical business. It sits with a fair amount of a fixed cost overhead structure, and that's what manifested in the poor results last year, and hence it was quite easy for them to improve off that base that we saw them do last year. In terms of share price performance, the share has probably moved up about 200% over the last 12 months. It's been a fairly good performer on the JSE.
The Nigerian market ended the day flat to the positive at 27,641 points. We spoke to Nwabuezi Okone of United Bank for Africa, looking at the Naira.
On the currency front, we actually saw the Naira firming up against the greenback, as against where, if we look at from last week, where we actually started, we actually saw Naira on Wednesday trading at about 150.30, and funny, we're seeing Naira also at this level. It hit a high of about 150.70.80 in the course of the start of this week. My take will be it's stemmed out from the the demand that was seen at the CBN auction for last week. I would have not thought the Naira would have gone up to that level. I guess my expectation on correction actually happened a little bit later. But Naira correcting at these levels, I would say it's a stable level. 150.70 that it went to was rather on a high side.
The NSE 20 ended the day up by almost 1% at 4,148 points. We spoke to Mutone Inyaga, investment analyst at Amana Capital, looking at what happened on the market today.
For true, Monday and Tuesday we saw the market trade sideways, and today we saw it go up. I'd say our gainers for today were Mumias, East African Portland Cement, and Everready. Mumias is on the back of local and retail investors, investors taking their positions on the counter. Mumias is a company that is expected to do well this year with anticipated earnings on the back of increased sugar production this year. And there's still a global shortage, therefore we expect the prices to be still high, though not as high as they were earlier on during the year and also last year.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.